सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। हरि ओम। We are in Ajanta Napunsakalingga. Jnana Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda we are seeing. Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachana, Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana is over. Sambodhana Ekvachana is also seen. That was actually discussed before. And now, after having discussed Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachana, Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan is being discussed. For this, we saw the Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana, Saudhnya, how for Napunsakalinga, she, the Adesha which has come in the place of Jas and Shas, that she is getting Sarvanamasthana Saudhnya and not the Sut which we were taking for Pullinga and Strilinga Shabda Prakriya. So here only the Prathama Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachan, she Pratyay which has come in the place of Jas and Shas is Sarvanamasthana. Now, based on this Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana Saudhnya Viveka, or based on this system, the certain works will happen. One of those works is giving Bha Saudhnya. The among Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, except this, excluding this Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas, whatever is remaining, 19 Pratyayas, they will be called Asarvanamasthana Saudhnya. Now, among those Asarvanamasthana, those which begin with Akara, that is Ajadi, not Akara, Ajadi, and Yadi, those are considered, when these Asarvanamasthana Pratyayas are there in front of Anga, Anga gets Bha Saudhnya. Now, Pratyay is named as Sarvanamasthana or Asarvanamasthana, and Anga is named as Bha. This is one more Saudhnya. Now, based on this Bha and Sarvanamasthana, Asarvanamasthana, these names, different works are being assigned by Maharshi Panini. Now, Pratyaya for us, the situation was Jnana Shabda was there, Jas Pratyaya was there. We turned that Jas into Shas. Shakara disappeared by Lashakvata Dite, it got its Saudhnya, Tasya Lopaha, it disappeared. Jnana E, this is the situation we have got, and in that situation, the further Prakriya we are supposed to see. So here we are. This is the situation where we are. She, we brought Jas Shaso she. So Jnana Dhana Jas, this was the Prakriya where we were. Then Jas got replaced by she by Jas Shaso she. Jas and Shas, these two Pratyayas are replaced by she when there is Anga Napunsakalinga. Napunsakat Jas Shaso she is there. So Anga is Napunsaka. Then after having brought this she is named as Sarvanamasthana. She is Sarvanamasthana in the case of Napunsakalinga Anga. So this is Napunsakalinga. She gets this Sarvanamasthana Saudhnya. From in Sutra it is not mentioned, but the Apavada Sutra comes that सुड नपुंसकस्य, अनपुंसकस्य सुट सर्वनामस्थानं स. So whatever is remaining, she is remaining for Napunsakalinga, so that becomes clear. After removing sha, jnana e, this is the situation. Then jnana a e, that's how we have separated. And now further prakriya we are going to see. Next sutra also we read, I think, since we have written. So Napunsakasya jhalachaha. This sutra we read.
No, ji.
Okay. We will read. Yes, Swamiji?
We read.
We read.
We can read again.
We will read again then. Napunsakasya jhalachaha. Napunsakasya jhalachaha. Napunsakasya jhalachaha. Sutra is Napunsakasya of Napunsaka. Jhal ach jhalachaha. What is the meaning of sutra? Num agama is happening. One agama is happening. That is num. Num syat. Main statement. So num is karta, syat is kriya. Now this num is going to come as agama. So agama of what is in the place, or for what this agama is going to come. Obviously agama does not replace anything. So we can't say in the place of, no, or next to it we should say. So it is saying that first of all, it should be klibasya. Klibasya angasya. It should be Napunsakalinga anga. So klibasya angasya numsya. But anything specific further. So it is said that ajantasya klibasya. Ajantasya klibasya num syat. When should it happen? What is the nimitta? So tasya klibasya angasya sarvanama sthane pare sati num agamaha. When there is ajanta napunsakalinga anga and is followed by sarvanama sthana saudnika pratyaya, the num agama happens to that ajanta napunsakalinga. This is one meaning of sutra. Further, jhalantasya ajantasya klibasya सर्वनामस्थाने परे सति नुमागमस्य. So jalantasya klibasya angasya sarvanamasthane pare sati numagamस्य. This will be the second statement. Just we have to read once with ajanta, once with jalanta. So these are the two meanings we get from this particular sutra. For now, our kliba anga is ajanta and not jalanta. So we will take this much part and we will see. Ajanta anga is there. Ajanta napunsakalinga anga is there, and it is getting followed by sarvanama sthana saudnika pratyaya she. She is named as sarvanama sthana, she sarvanama sthanam by that sutra. And because all the conditions are getting fulfilled, num agama is going to come. So now here there is num, and it is going to come by napunsakasya jhalacha. Where should it be coming, or where should it be located? Because altogether we have got this sthiti, or even no. Without splitting. Yes. Now jnana is the napunsakalinga anga, and because it is mentioned in shashti, so shashti sthane yoga, we can see, oh, so whatever is mentioned in shashti, we should brought it to that particular thing. That is the rule so far we have seen. But now this particular agama Where should it be brought? Should it be brought in the place of jnana? No, we cannot bring, because it is agama. It should come either before or after of something. So far only two agamas we have seen, and that is tith. If it is tith, then it comes and becomes the initial part of whatever is the sthani. If it is kit, it becomes the later part of that particular sthani. What about mit? Because num has makara as it. So makara is it in this num. Since makara is it, therefore num is called mit. Makarah it yasya sah mit. So num is mit. Where should we keep this mit? That is the question. So to solve that question, next sutra comes. Okay, though we have brought and put it here. We are here. Okay. Num is waiting. He has not got the confirmed place to go and sit. So there the next sutra comes. Let's read it. Midachontyaat paraha, midachontyaat paraha, midachontyaat paraha. Sutra is saying, let's write the steps where we are. Jnana, dhana, e. Here we are. And num is waiting for us. Num. Sutra is saying, let's split sutra. Ha. Syat and para. Is the kriya pada syat. Mit achah antyat parah syat. How is it supposed to be understood? So mit syat is the main statement. May mit happen. May mit happen. Where he is saying that antyat parah, after the last one. After antya is last. Antyat parah, after last. It should come. What is that last? It is saying that antyat achah. This is Shashti Vibhakti, sorry, Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan. This achah is Panchami Vibhakti Ekvachan. Antyat achah parah mit syat. How are we getting this antyat achah? So, because in the sutra, this achah is Shashti Vibhakti. Achah acham madhye antyah. Among all the ach, whatever is last, acham madhye yah antyah, tasmat antyat achah parah mit syat. So this particular Shashti Vibhakti achah is this yatascha nirdharanam by that sutra, where we decide one among one is ekadesha prithakkaranam. There is a group, and from that group something is being separated by guna, kriya and saudhnya. Whatever is separated or being talked, being mentioned separately, that is called prithakkaranam, that is called nirdharanam. So all ach are there. Among all ach, whatever is last ach. So among all ach, for this particular sense, we give Shashti Vibhakti. So balakaanam chaitrah, balakaanam chaitrah, patuhu. So among all boys, a chaitra or call maitra from all boys. So from all boys, balakanam maitram ahvaya. Bring maitra from all those balaka. Bring devadatta from those balaka. So here this particular shashti is nirdharana shashti. So achaha here we have to understand. Acham, or we can say Paranam, Paranam, or Sarveshu Swareshu Yah Antyah Tasmat Parah. That's how we have to understand. So this particular Shashti Vibhakti is that Nirdharana Shashti. So Achaha, though it is mentioned in singular, we have to understand it is plural. Acham Madhye, among all ach, that one which is last, okay, that is called Antya. Tasmat Parah, after that. So Acham Madhye, Yah Antyah ach, Yah Antyah ach, ach, Tasmat, Tasmat Antyat Achah Parah Syat. May it happen after that last ach among all ach. Then this is one meaning. Is this statement clear? Mit syat, mit acham madhye yah antyah ach, tasmat antyat achah parah syat. Example we will see. This is our example. In our example only we will see. Jnana is shabda. In that there are how many ach? In Jnana Shabda, how many ach are there?
2.
2. Now, Acham Madhye, Yah Antyah, which one is the last one?
Akara. A is
The last one. So, Mit is Agama, which is Num. Mit. Acham Madhye, Yah Antyah, Tasmat Parah Syat. So, among all the ach, who is the last ach? Akara is the last ach. After that Antya ach, Parah Mit Syat. So, whatever is Mit Agama will come after the last ach. Is this? So far this much meaning we have seen and this much meaning is clear. So where should it come? This Num is our Mit. Where will it come?
SG.
After, yes, after Akara.
After Akara. Yes. Here it will come. We have just split whole Jnana Shabda and Mit, which is Num, it will come after Akara. Done? This much is clear?
Yes,
Now, Jnana, this Num, Ma disappears, U disappears, and just Na remains. This step is clear. Jnana, A we have separated, which is Antya ach. Then Num, Nakara is there, and Ikara of She is there. This is where we are. No any extra work we have done, only this much. So far, whatever work we have seen, that much work we have mentioned in the step. Is this step clear? This?
SG.
Now, let's come back to the meaning. Acham madhye yah antyah ach. Tasmat antyat achah parah mit syat. Mit should come after that last ach. Among whatever the ach are there, number of achs are there, among them, whichever is the last, after that mit is going to come. Now, next, one more extra additional meaning is given by Granthakara, that is achah parah syat, achah parah tasya antavayavah. It will come after last ach and it will become the last later part of that particular ach. Okay. Once again I will repeat. It will come after that ach and will become the ending part of that ach. Achah antyat achah parah syat antyat achah tasya antavayavah syat. It will come after it and it will become the later part of it, or the ending part of that ach. That is the meaning. So this nakara by midachontyat parah, the simple, the without having that additional meaning, nakara has come after akara. But now with this additional statement, it becomes the ending part of that akara. It will be considered the ending part of that akara. So jnana a antya ach, after that antya ach num, which is mit, comes and it becomes the ending part of that akara. That is the next further meaning. So in the same statement by midachontyat parah sutra only, we get these two meanings. One is it should come after last ach and it is considered as the ending part of that last ach. This second meaning is clear? The second part of that meaning.
Ending part of the last ach.
Tasya antyasya achah antavayavah syat.
Yes. The Rupam that we are going to do Siddhi is of Jnane, na?
No, Swamiji. Jnanani.
Jnanani, okay.
What is the purpose of that statement, the second statement?
There is a purpose. This one sutra is there, Shemuchadinam, etc. The later prakriya we need it. For now it is not much needed, but because it is given in Vritti, that's why I just explained. With this much meaning only, without giving the second meaning, whatever meaning is coming here, that much meaning only is required. Since Granthakara is giving acham madhye yaha antyah tasmat parah mit syat, this much meaning is enough. Tasyeva antavayavah, this particular meaning, which is additional, he has done the khandana of Kashikakara and then he has given. Kashikakara gives only this much meaning. Acham sannivishtanam antyat achah parah mit bhavati. This is the vritti of Kashikakara. That's it. And this sthane yoga pratyaya paratvasya ayam apavadah. This shashti sthane yoga, it is the apavada of that. So that is second part. But this is the vritti of Kashikakara. Acham sannivishtanam antyat achah parah mit bhavati, which is the required meaning. But this much meaning is not enough. That's why this Siddhartha Kaumudikara, the Dikshitji, Bhattoji Dikshitji, he adds this extra meaning. Yeah. अचा मध्ये यः अन्त्यः तस्मात् परः तस्यैव अन्तावयवः मित् स्यात्. And here this he has given the how this said यत्तु प्राचोक्तम अन्त्यादचः परः इति तन्न शेमुचादीनाम. That is later part. When that part will come, that time we will see that additional purpose. But for now the meaning is clear.
Okay.
Just here tasyeva antavayavah syat. By this we have to just understand that num has come after last ach and it is considered as the ending part of that ach. That we have to understand. And that just that extra or that additional meaning or the later meaning, you can just keep it aside. With the first meaning, only this much meaning, we can proceed further. Acha madhye yah antyah ach tasmat antyat achah parah mit syat num syat. Here the num is mit, that is coming. Here we were jnana, ja, ya, a, na, a, two ach were there. Among those two ach, last one was the akara. Tasmat antyat achah mitsyat, num came after that akara. Ma got itsavnya by halantyam, tasya lopah, it disappeared. Ukara, upadeshe jannasikait, tasya lopah, and we got nakara. Jnana, na, i. That's what we have got. Okay. Jnana, na, i. Ikara is she pratyaya. She has got sarvanama sthana saudhnya by she sarvanama sthanam. Okay. Jnana has got num as agama. After having brought this num agama, we have got the shabda jnanan. Jnanan. This is the shabda. Okay. This is anga. Now anga is ending with nakara. Anga is ending with nakara. And upadha of this jnanan anga, upadha is akara. So earlier the akara was antya, now it is upadha. Now it is upadha. Sutra is alontyat purva upadha. Whatever is antya al means whatever is the last letter. So prior to that letter or the before that last letter, second last letter is considered as upadha. So here akara in jnanan anga, akara after nakarottaravarti akara upadha saudhnya. So this particular akara is upadha saudhnya. Okay. So nakaranta anga is there, upadha akara is there, and sarvanama sthana pratyay is there in front of that anga. What sutra will be applicable?
Nantasya upada dirghah.
Both of you are correct, but sutra is sarvanama sthane cha sambuddha. So here the written it is there. Jnana upadha will become dirgha na i. Sarvanama sthane pare sati nakarantasya upadhayaha dirgha syat. Whatever is the anga ending with nakara, the upadha of that nakaranta anga will become dirgha when there is sarvanama sthana saudhnika pratyay in front of anga. Just one more asambuddha, that asambuddhi, it should not be sambodhana. It should not be sambuddhi sarvanama sthana. Sambuddhi sarvanama sthana is so jnana a na I. That's what we have got. By after sutra we should write. Ane cha sambuddha. Form is ready. Jnanani. Jnanam, jnane, jnanani. So far we have got this. Jnanam, बहुवचन form. So Jnanani form is clear.
Yes, ji.
Jnana Dhanam. Let's quickly have a look to this Jnanam Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachan. Jnana Dhanam. What will happen? Ato
Ami Purva.
correct. So will be replaced again by sutra. Atom and Jnana. Ami Purva will take place. I will write. Jnana Dhana out. What will happen here?
Napumsakacha.
Napunsakacha.
Get she adesha.
She adesha will come in the place of out, so we will get she. Next. First, in order, first guna is prapta. It is badita by prathamayo purva savarna. It is badita by yasyati cha. It is coming and it is making akara to disappear because jnana has got bhasaudnya. Bhasaudnya is given when there is ajadi asarvanamasthana swadi pratyay is there after anga. That gets bhasaudnya. So jnana is getting followed by ajadi asarvanamasthana ikara. Therefore bhasaudnyakasya akarasya lopah syat yasyeti cheti sutrena ikare tadhite च परे अस्य इस्य अस्य इकारस्य अवर्णस्य इवर्णस्य च लोपहस्य. So akarasya lopah prapta. But Vartika comes aunga sham pratishedo vacha. So when there is she pratyay is there, which has come in the place of aung saudnyaka pratyay, there this particular sutra is not applicable. And because the pratishedha of yasyeti cha sutra takes place, adgunaha sutra again gets applied. So in Prakriya we were right. This is the Prakriya, correct?
Yes.
Disappears. He disappears. Place of both of them. Jnane. Jnanam, jnane. Jnana, dhana. What will be the next step?
Just
She will come in the place of shas. Sutra is next.
napumsakasya jalachala.
Napumsakasya jalachala. Num ano?
नपुंसकांग ending with ajanta or jhalanta. The num agama comes when there is sarvanama sthana pratyay in front of it. So num has come. Na ukara disappears. Ukara disappears. Nakara shall remains. What we get? What will happen here?
सर्वनामस्थाने चा संबुद्धौ.
Sarvanama cha sambuddho. By that, dirgha adesha in the place of upadha. Upadha becomes dirgha. Jnanani. Because this she agama comes in the place of just and shas, so same prakriya for prathama vibhakti bahuvachan, dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachan. Jnanam jnane jnanani, jnanam jnane jnanani. No change. Jnanam. Now we have condition here. Jnana cha tritiya vibhakti ekvachan. What will happen here? This will happen. I wrote the answer.
Puna Adgunaha.
Okay, but how will this ta turn into ina? Because
Tanasi Nasaminatsya.
nasi nasaminatsyaha. Ta nasi nasaminatyaha. Ta nasi nas will be replaced by ina, at, and sya. Ta, nasi, nas are replaced by ina, at, sya. So ta is tritiya vibhakti ekvachan. Ta will be directly replaced by ina. So we got jnana, ta, jnana, ina. Now, happen. Here,
आत्मना.
form is ready. Jnana dhanabhyam. What will happen here?
सुपीच.
Cha. Sutra says
akara angasya. When akara anga with followed by sup pratyaya with pratyaya starting with
adi
yai.
Adi. Adi sup. in front of it, that time this akaranta anga becomes dirgha. So jnana akara turns into akara. Form is ready. Jnana jnam.
So this first what will be prapta will be bahuvachane jhalyet, but that will be badita by atobisais.
Correct. Nice. ये प्राप्ते तो भिसाइस so you will get ice. Jnana a will disappear now. I will also disappear and sandhi will happen. What sandhi will happen?
Vriddhi reji.
Then sasayushoru kharavasana visarjaniyah jnanaihi. Jnana dhana nasi.
Atu. Tanasi. Tanasi.
Ta nasi aha.
एक छूट गया, ज्ञान आ गया.
Wow. Jnana dhana ne. What will happen here?
Like Nyeryaha. That's what I was thinking.
Dhana yeah. Sutra is there is akaranta anga. Ne gets replaced by yakara. So now what will happen here?
Upada dirgha.
No. Upadha is nakara. Nakara will be. It's about akara, antya akara.
Thanivad adesho anal vidho.
Okay.
Thanivad adesho anal vidho.
Yakara will get sthani vidadesho nal vidho. So it will get suptva dharma. The next yakara, which came in the place of nge. Nge is sup. Yakara has come in the place of nge. Whether this yakara should be considered as sup or not, that question comes. Yes, it is considered as sup, but it is not coming in the 21 pratyas. Only 21 pratyas can be called sup. So it is saying that whatever is adesha comes in the sthani, in the place of sthani, gets the dharma of sthani. So nge was sup. was replaced by yakara. Whether this yakara should be considered as sup or not, yes, it should be considered by this particular sutra. Sutra says that adesha should be considered as sthani. Therefore, yakara has suptva dharma. With this, what did we achieve?
Supicha can come.
That
So,
Supi will become Dirgha.
yes, Supicha Sutra gets now placed to work. Otherwise, till that, Supicha was difficult to apply. Jaladau, sorry, Yayadau Supipare, Ajantangasya Dirgha. So that's how it becomes Jnana Aya. And form is ready. Jnanaya. Jnana, Dhana, Dhyam. Jnana, Dhana, yes, what will happen here?
Bahuvachane Jalyet.
Akara will come in the place of akara by sutra. Bahuvachane Jalyet. बहुवचने झले परिसति अकारस्य एकारः स्यात्. सयुषुरो खरवसानो विसर्जनीयः. ऋतुविसर्ग आफ्टर ऋतुविसर्ग अनेभ्यः. Now ज्ञान धन ngasi पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचन. ngasi gets replaced by at by tang ngasi ngasaminatsyaha. ज्ञान धन a धन at. What will happen here?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
दीर्घादेश will happen.
Akara.
Form is ready. One more sutra is applicable here. By that, we will
Jnanat Jnanad.
correct.
Vavasane.
कौन सी सूत्र?
Vavasane.
Vasane. Jalam charo vasyu. So when there is avasanam, that time jal will get char adesha vikalpena. So once it will become jnanad, once it will become jnanat. Dhanabhyam char. What will happen here?
Supicha.
It is done. Yes.
Ekara.
Right.
Akara will become Ekara by Bahuvachane Jalyet.
Into ekara and yes. बहुवचने जल्येत. सजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः. dhana ngas. What will happen here?
As Tana Sina Samna Sya. Sya will come.
Sya will come. Ana. Will be replaced by Sya. Ngasi, ngasa, mina, syaha. Is ready. This akara is not becoming akara. What might be the reason? Because everywhere jnanabhyam, there we are making, here we are not making. Supicha Sutra.
It is not Bahuvachan.
No, Supicha Sutra we are talking about.
So, yai
Yai
before
Pratya. It is not Yai Pratya.
So yai does not include sa. Yayadav supi. That is the requirement. Correct. Now, dhana os. What will happen here?
Osija.
Bahuvachane jhallet in that order. Comes osi pare sati akarantasya angasya ekarasya. Bahuvachane jhallet osi cha. Then
Echoevaya.
Echuvaya. I adesha comes in the place of A. We get jnanayos, jnanayoru, jnanayor, and pravasana visarjanya, reference to visarga. Jnana, dhana, am. What will happen here?
Hrasvanadhyapona.
No. Jnana, not adyanta utakito. So, is coming. What is there? The sthani here. So it is am. It will become the adi anga of am. So not will come to am. Na.
Dirghadesha by Nami.
नामी परे अजंतांगस्य दीर्घस्य. ज्ञाना नाम. Ni. What will happen here? प्रक्रिया.
Atpuna.
Ready? ज्ञाने. Us. Again, what will happen?
Osija.
Akara will come in the place of akara. what will be? Will be Cho,
Echo Eva.
Yava, Yava. And form is ready after doing Rutva Visarga, we'll get Yogo. Dhana Bhakti Bhavachan. What will happen here?
Jnanasu will become Jnanashu by Adesha Pratyayogo.
Adesha Pratyayo talks about in kubhyam parasya. In Pratyaharastha varna should be there. Akara is not included in in. Iurulu.
Oh, before that, it will become Jnane.
Yes. Sutra.
Bahuvachane
Correct. Jali.
Bahuvachane Jalyet.
So, will turn into ekara. So, sutra is bahuvachane jhalyet. Jhaladau bahuvachane pare sati akarantasya ekara syat. So that ekara comes in the place of akara. Now we get ekara is in. E oral ru a o I o hayavara la. Till that we have to count. So ekara is counted in the in. Now what will happen?
Adesha Pratyayo.
Sambodhana we have seen, but quickly we will see. Dhana Su. What will happen here? Sutra is Jnana, Dhana Su. Su turns into Sutra is
Ato.
Om. Next will be
Ami Purvaka.
Amipurva. Rupa will take place. Then
Engaraswa. Engaraswat Sambuddhe.
Eng Rasvat Sambuddhe. With that we will do
Lopa of the
correct.
Antim.
This Jnana after bringing Eka Akara Adesha in the place of A and A by Amipurva. Jnana we will take it as Akarantanga and Makara we will take as the hull of Sambuddhi. That hull of Sambuddhi will disappear by Engrasvat Sambuddhi. Na will disappear. Okay. Form is ready. How will be replaced by She sutra is
She. Napumsakach.
Napumsakacha.
Napumsakach.
ज्ञाने. So हे ज्ञाने, and again bahuvachana prakriya, we have seen that bahuvachana prakriya, same we should bring here. He, she gets sarvanam sthana saudhnya, she sarvanama sthanam, then this num adesha comes, num agama comes, it comes antyat ach, we get jnanan. Upadha becomes dirgha by sarvanama sthane cha sambuddho jnanani. He jnanani sambodhana bahuvachan, we get. So here Napunsakalinga, Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda gets over here. This is the sangra of sutras which are utilized for this Napunsakalinga Akaranta Shabda. So is this Akaranta Napunsakalinga Shabda clear?
Yes, ji.
We do Shanti Pata Swamiji here.
Yes.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om.